Hey, it's Joe Procast here. This is something I figured out. The glitch I showed you in the first tutorial only works for these wheels, and you could only do the glitch with these wheels. But with the big wheels, you could just put them in like this. See how it's like the same design I showed you in my first tutorial? Well, look, you could just put it in like that. So, you know, if you want to do the glitch, I think you could do the glitch to all the way outside until it blocked the wheels, but I haven't tried it yet. I may or may not make a tutorial on how to do the glitch, because maybe I know that you could probably figure it on your own, because I showed you an example in my first tutorial, so it's a pretty good example. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked me teaching you about some games and some things. So, thank you for subscribing. Bye.